Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You open the journal immediately and begin logging. You do not wait. First, read the 3 objectives and note player roles, spawn time, and planned camera or EMF locations. As you sweep the building, write down each observation with a timestamp so you can correlate sounds, lights, and evidence. Once done, mark any confirmed evidence boxes in the journal to prevent duplicated effort, and place quick shorthand notes for who checked which room so you can retrace discoveries if needed. You now use the journal as your investigation brain. It's where evidence becomes a diagnosis. Read each recorded clue and cross-reference it with the ghost list in the book. Tick confirmed items and cross out incompatible types to shrink possibilities. Update witness statements and attach photo timestamps or camera feed notes so you can verify activity later. Once you've narrowed to 2 or 1 ghost types, relay concise commands to the team and continue targeted evidence gathering. Don't recheck cleared rooms. Focus on what remains. You are at the finish line. Confirm the ghost type in the journal and complete remaining objectives, then photograph or otherwise capture required evidence before extraction. Make sure to note sanity levels and any special behaviors in the mission summary so you collect full payment. If things go wrong and the journal won't update or evidence won't save, first relog or rejoin the session. If that fails, re-verify the critical evidence in-game and retic it in the book. This fixes most lost entries and preserves rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.